Topic is chemical properties of alkynes. Alkyne shows some acidic nature, and these alkynes are involve addition reactions and polymerization reactions. Okay. Before that, we need to observe hybridations of hydrocarbons, ethane, CH3 single bond CH3, sp3 hybridization. The S percentage in sp3 hybridized orbitals 25%, and next one ethylene CH2 double bond CH2 sp2 hybridization. S percentage is 33.3%, S percentage, S orbital percentage, that means, and Hc triple bond CH ethine sp hybridization 50-50%, S percentage is 50%, P percentage is 50%. So we observe in this, from the alkane, alkyne, the hybridization from the sp3 sp to sp, the S character percentage is going to increases. The alkynes have the high electronegativity than alkenes. Alkenes are high electronegative than alkanes because of S percentage is, it is have the 50%, 33.3%, and it is have only 25%. Of all S percentage in alkynes, the spherical shape of the S orbital, so it is near to nucleus. So that is the reason the electronegativity of the alkynes are high than alkenes. Next, alkanes. Chemical property, acidic nature. Here alkanes react with sodium metal or sodamide NaNH2 to form sodium acetylide and liberate H2 gas. For example, you take ethine, this is ethine. Ethine react with sodium metal, it is going to absorb the H from this alkyne as a H plus. So by the liberation of H plus from this, Hc triple bond C minus, and electron released by the Na, that is absorbed by the H plus, it is released in the formation of half H2. Half H2 means one hydrogen only. Okay. So Hc triple bond C minus Na plus. Sodium releases one electron, hydrogen releases in the formation of H plus. This H plus and electron, half H2, half H2 means one hydrogen, half H2 gas is released, and this Hc triple bond C minus Na plus we called as monosodium ethanide, followed by this same sodium and metal. Another source of hydrogen is there in this. So we get C triple bond C minus minus Na plus. So same way. So it is releases electron, and this hydrogen releases in the formation of H plus, and this H plus and electron releases in the formation of half H2. So we get disodium ethanide. The hydrogen is released in the formation of H plus. Which one gives H plus? Act as acids. Which one gives OH minus, or which one absorbs H plus? That is base. In this ethane gives H pluses from this one and this position. H plus released by the ethane. So somewhat acidic character is present by releasing of H plus, that is absorbed by the react with sodium metal or sodamide. C triple bond CH plus 2 moles of Na, we get C triple bond C minus plus half plus H2 gas. This is Na plus, this is Na plus, like this reaction. Another one example with another one example, which one? This is a propane. Propane react with NaNH2 or sodium metal. For example, it is react with NaNH2, we get CH3 C triple bond C minus plus NH3. So it is a minus is stabilized with Na plus. Okay. So in this, the hydrogen is released in the formation of H plus. This H plus absorbed by the NH2 minus, that is going to form NH3, and after liberation of H plus it is going to form CH3, C triple bond C minus with Na plus, monosodium propanide. Okay. So this is a propane also has some acidic character. So we compare between the ethane and propane. This is a CH, ethane CH triple bond CH, propane CH3 C triple bond CH. It contains two hydrogens. It contains only one hydrogen. Triple bond carbon having hydrogen. Triple bond carbon having hydrogen is this one only. Triple bond carbon having hydrogen 2 is there in this. In this only one. H pluses are released from the triple bonded carbon positions only. Triple bonded carbon positions only. The H plus does not released by the this methyl. Okay. So H plus released by the triple bond bonded carbon only. So in this carbon having only one hydrogen, this carbon does not have any hydrogen because of it already contain 3 plus 1, 4 bonds are present, and in this position, so this carbon contain one hydrogen, this carbon contain one hydrogen. So that is the reason 2 H pluses are released by this one, and it is releases only one H plus. So this ethane is more acidic than propane. Also you take CH3 C triple bond C CH3, this one. It is a less acidic. Why? Because of this triple bonded carbon does not contain any hydrogen. Triple bond carbon does not contain any hydrogen. Compared with this two, ethane and propane, this one is a butane, 2-butane is less acidic. Okay, you take order of this acidic nature. This is the order. Ethane is more acidic than propane. Propane is more acidic than butane. Okay, 2-butane. This is the acidity order. In hydrocarbons, alkyne is more acidic. We already discussed. Then alkene is more acidic than alkane. Okay, so this is a acidic nature of the alkynes. Next one, addition reactions involved by the alkynes. Why these alkynes are involved addition reactions? Because of the presence of pi bonds. Pi bond is a weak bond, partial overlapping side to side. These alkynes are involved addition reaction. And which type of addition reactions? Electrophilic addition reactions, because of between the two carbons pi electron cloud is present. That is the reason these alkynes are involved electrophilic addition reactions. So these addition reactions, H2, addition of H2, addition of HX, addition of X2. H2 is hydrogenation, hydrohalogenation. This is a halogenation. Is there any one hydrogenation or hydrohalogenation or halogenation? All are involved by the following of this mechanism. In this ethane, for example, you take ethane react with HZ. For example, you take the Z equal to hydrogen, that is a hydrogenation. Z equal to halogen, that is a hydrohalogenation. Z equal to these both are X, that is a halogenation. Ethane react with HZ, we get hydrogen added to one of the carbon in the formation of H plus. The hydrogen is going to added in the formation of H plus. First of all, electrophilic addition reactions are take place. Electrophile is added to this alkyne. Electrophile, this is the electrophile added to this one. So this bond is going to shifted on one of the carbon. by shifting of bond from the one carbon to another carbon, we get positive charge is appeared in this, and this H plus added to this position, we get H double bond C plus, electron loosed by this carbon, we get positive charge in this. So this positive charge present on double bonded carbon we called as vinylic cation plus this is a Z minus, hydrogen releases in the formation of H plus. Okay. So this Z minus is going to added to this positive position, we get HC H double bond CZ H. So these are going to follow the Markovnikov way. The addition depends upon the stability of vinylic cation. Okay. So the addition reactions are take place based on the vinylic cation stability. If we take the unsymmetrical alkene, the major product is going to follow the as per Markovnikov rule. Which of the stable carbocation, that is gives major one as per the Markovnikov. For example, we take in this addition reactions, addition of dihydrogen, the reaction hydrogenation or reduction, okay, take place on alkynes in the presence of some catalysts like nickel, platinum, palladium. The reaction carry out in the presence of catalysts nickel, platinum, palladium. For example, you take the ethine, the hydrogenation take place on ethine, we get ethylene. This is a ethylene. 2 hydrogens added to the by breaking of one pi bond, we get CH2 double bond CH2, and 1 mole of H2 is added to this one, we get CH3 single bond CH3 ethane. Okay. Directly you take the ethane by adding of 2 moles of H2. If the 1 mole of H2 we get ethylene, from the ethylene adding of H2 we get ethane. Directly add to the 2 moles of H2 we get ethane. Okay. This one CH3 C triple bond CH with 2 moles of H2, we get CH3 C H2 and CH3, 2 moles of H2. 1 mole of H2 is going to break 1 pi bond. In this 2 pi bonds are present. We are going to break the 1 pi bond with 1 mole of H2. If you add the 1 mole of H2 to this one, we get CH3 C double CH3 CH double bond CH2. One hydrogen added to this carbon and this carbon by breaking of the 1 pi bond with 1 mole of H2. If you added the 2 moles, the 2 pi bonds are going to break. Directly added hydrogens added to the pi bond positions, we get the alkane is a product. This is a alkane. Which one? Propane. This is propene. Okay. This is a hydrogenation. Halogenation take place on alkyne. For example, we take this is propine, react with the Br2, 2 bromines are added to the 1 pi bond, breaking of 1 pi bond, we get 1, 2 dibromopropene, 1, 2 dibromopropene. Okay. And also followed by adding with Br2, another 1 mole. Product is CH3 C, another 1 mole of the Br2 is added to the by breaking of another pi bond, we get single bond. This is Br, This is Br added. Okay, so 2 moles of Br2s, 2 moles of Br2s are added to the alkyne by breaking up the 2 pi bond 1, 1 comma 1. Give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, tetra 4, tetra bromo 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, tetra bromo ethane propane 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, tetrabromo propane. Okay, this is a halogenation. We take the example bromine, bromination, or chlorine, chlorination. Okay, addition of hydrogen halide HX to this alkyne. In this reaction, this is ethyne react with HBr, hydrogen bromide. We get the product is H C double bond CH Br this one. Alkene by breaking of one pi bond HBr is added. One hydrogen to this one bromine to this one. Okay, and followed by using of another mole of HBr, another mole of HBr. This HBr is added by breaking of another one pi bond. This is Br, this is another one Br. Two bromines are added to the only on one carbon. Okay, so the bromination take place on only on one carbon. We get the product is 1 comma 1 dibromo 1 comma 1 dibromo ethane 1 comma 1 dibromo ethane is a product. We called as these are geminal dihalides. Two halogens are present adjacent of the two carbon, that is called as a vicinal. Two halogens are present on same carbon, we called as geminal. Okay, we called as this is a geminal dihalide. Alkyne with HBr. The product is CH3 C double bond CH2, bromine is added to the middle of the carbon. Why? The carbocation is going to generated, vinylic carbocation is going to generated on middle of the carbon, the secondary vinylic carbocation. So you think about this, CH3 C triple bond CH. Okay, so before the this hydrogen is going to added in the formation of H plus. Okay, so H plus is added to the which of the carbon? First carbon, second, third. In this, which of the carbon? First carbon or second carbon? First carbon only. Because of, so the bond is going to shifted on this one. We get the positive charge in the second position, CH3 C plus double bond CH. This is the one of, and this CH3, if the bond is shifted to this one, if second case CH3 C double bond this is a primary vinylic carbocation, primary vinylic carbocation. This is the secondary vinylic carbocation. Which one is more stable? Secondary vinylic carbocation is more stable. So the bromine is going to added to the this one is more stable. The product is 2-bromopropene is a major. 2-bromopropene is a major as per the Markovnikov rule. Okay. So in this second step, added to the HBr to this one. Another mole of HBr added to the 2-bromopropene. We get the product is CH3, C, single bond, CH3, Br, and this is a Br. What is the name of this one? 2, 2 dibromo, 2, 2 dibromopropane, 2, 2 dibromopropane. The bromine added to the same carbon only. We get the product is which type of products? Geminal dihalides. Geminal dihalides. Addition of H2O. Addition of H2O to the alkyne. This is a ethyne with H2O. The reaction carried out in the presence of Hg plus 2. These alkanes and alkanes are also immiscible and do not react with water, but one molecule of water is added to the alkyne on warming with mercuric sulfate. Okay, HgSO4, mercuric sulfate. Under these certain conditions only the water molecule react on ethyne and dilute H2SO4, that is a H plus condition is. Okay. Under the 333 Kelvin temperature, we get the product is carbonyls. Carbonyls are the product. In this reaction, the product is HC double bond CH. OH is added to this position. So, CH2 double bond COH H. This is going to take the isomerization like this. H plus added to this position by shifting of this one. Bond is shifted on this. This H is added to this position. We get CH3 C double bond OH. CH3 C double bond OH. We call as this a aldehyde group. Okay. So acetaldehyde or ethanol. 2 carbons ethanol, all for the aldehyde or acetaldehyde, commonly acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is the product. Unsymmetrical alkyne react with H2O in the presence of same HgSO4 and dilute H2SO4 under the 333 Kelvin temperature. Hg plus 2 dilute H2SO4 under the 333 Kelvin temperature. The product is CH3 C double bond CH2. OH is added to the middle of the carbon because of stable vinylic carbocation. Same way, bond is shifted on this. We get CH3 C plus double bond CH2. This is a stable carbocation. If the bond is shifted on this, we get CH3 C H double bond CH pass to this one. So this is a primary, this is a secondary. We already discussed about the addition reactions depends upon the stability of vinylic cation. So unsymmetrical alkanes according to the, they are going to follow the according to the Markovnikov rule. This is a preferable major one. The OH, after adding of H plus, next OH minus is added to the second carbon only, second carbon. We get the product is this one. After this, isomerization takes place between them. Isomerization. This bond is going to shift in this. This bond is going to shift in this. H plus added to this position. We get C double bond O. Product is CH3 C double bond CH3 C double bond O CH3. Commonly we called as acetone. Ketonic group. Ketonic group commonly we called as acetone. And IUPAC's point of view 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons, that is a propanone. Propanone is a product. Addition of H2O on ethane is a aldehyde product. Addition of H2O on propine, this is a which one? Propine. Propine is ketone products. Aldehydes are prepared from the ethynes, ketones are prepared from the propine by the addition of H2O in the presence of HgSO4 and dilute H2SO4 under the 333 Kelvin temperature only. Polymerization, number of monomers are converted to the polymers under certain conditions, high temperature and pressures are required. Ethine, CH, triple bond CH, n number of ethynes under the high temperature under the certain temperature, pressure, high temperature and pressure conditions, polyethylene or polyethine, CH double bond CH and CH double bond CH, like this number of, this is a polymer. Which one? Polyethine or polyethylene. Polyethylene. So this is a linear polymerization, a chain polymerization, chain like polymerization. And next one is a cyclic polymerization. Cyclic polymerization, we take the 3 moles of ethine, this is a ethine, 3 moles of ethine, HC triple bond CH, CH triple bond CH, CH triple bond CH. These 3 moles of CH ethine passed through the red hot iron tube under the 873 Kelvin temperature. The polymerization take place. After the polymerization, we get the product is benzene. Benzene is a product. So this is the important cyclic polymerization. Ethane is passing through the red hot iron tube under the 873 Kelvin temperature. 3 moles of ethane polymerizes to benzene.